Hello friends, hope you are great. In this video, I am going to compare the two platforms. Normally, people are asking me whether they need to start from the Facebook ads or Google ads or the TikTok ads or what is the best platform their business. So in this video, I am going to share one of the business that I was like managing the campaigns with the same creative, same copy on the Facebook as well as on the TikTok. So first of all, on the TikTok, you can see during this time period, we have spent 128 Australian dollar on this one, and we have got the 10 leads during this time period, and the cost per lead was 12.82. But again, with the same creative, same copies on the Facebook, we have spent like more than the TikTok. We spent $488 because we were running these campaigns even for a longer period of time. But I am comparing this data for the same time period when we started the TikTok campaign. So we have got 19 leads, but here you can see the cost per lead is almost double on the Facebook. And this is not the case for all the time. But I always recommend my clients that you need to A/B test on the platform if you have the budget. Before starting, we cannot say that Facebook will work for us or Google will work for us or even the TikTok will work for us and we will get the low cost results from a specific platform. We always need to do the A/B testing, and after doing the A/B testing, we can conclude which platform is profitable for us and which platform is getting us costly leads or costly results. So this is a clear indication that you always need to do the A/B testing, and then once you will find the best creatives, best platform, then you can start scaling that one and start increasing the budget on that one.